Tom, look! The cart is moving! I am not touching it! Then who is moving it?
Wait! Stop that cart!
Dad, it is going too fast!
Stay close to me, Lily!
Mom, it turned! Oh no! Follow it carefully! I can see it! Oh! The bananas fell! This cart is crazy! We must stop it!
I think the wheel is broken.
Can we fix it?
First, we must stop the cart.
It started again! Mom, hurry! I am trying. Look, the box fell inside. Oh, maybe the cart wants cereal. That would be funny.
Ben, I found something.
What is it?
It was inside our cart.
This may tell us where to go.
Maybe the cart is taking us there.
Let us find out. Surrounding these...
Grandma, the cart came here.
A cart came here by itself.
Yes, it is very strange. The cart pushed bananas. That sounds like an adventure. It is not finished yet.
Got it!
Finally!
Now we can check the wheel.
Mom, what is this box? I do not remember putting it there.
Let us look carefully.
This box feels very light.
What could be inside?
We will find out soon.
The cart is normal now.
Good! Keep it slow!
I am the cart captain. Maybe the cart wanted dinner. Maybe it was hungry. Then it needs a cake. It is very cold. My nose is freezing. Close the door, Tom.
We found the problem.
What was wrong?
One wheel was stuck.
We are almost finished.
That was a big adventure.
And we learned something.
Always check the cart first.
And never chase it alone.
Exactly, Tom.
Grandma, look!
Oh,
It is our picnic cake. The cart carried it for us. Oh, so it did. What a funny shopping trip. The cart was our helper. A very strange helper. Maybe the cart wanted dinner. Maybe it was hungry. Then it needs a cake.
this will be a story to remember.
Yes, we will laugh about it.
And we will check the wheels next time.
Always stay with your family. I will, Mom.
Good girl.
I learned to stay calm.
That is important.
And I learned to check wheels.
This was a crazy day. But it was a happy day. I will never forget it. Do you think it will move again? I hope not. Me too. The wheel is fixed. Goodbye, crazy cart.
Let us go home.
Small problems need calm thinking, and families can solve them together. That is our lesson today.
Did you enjoy our story?
Then like this video.
Subscribe for more slow English stories. Share this story with a friend. See you in the next story.
Moral of the story: stay calm, stay together, and solve problems safely. Thanks for watching.